If you are curious about how to use the WhatsApp stickers, then watch this video till the end. So first of all, open the Play Store and search WA sticker. The first result that is sticker text, install that app. You can install it directly from the link given in the description. Open the app after installation is complete and you will get to see different stickers packs in this app. Now click on the plus icon of the sticker pack whichever you want to add and select the WhatsApp. You will need the latest version of WhatsApp. You can download it from the link given in description. Now open the WhatsApp. Now click on the emoji icon and at the bottom you will find the new stickers option. You can add different sticker packs from that app also. The different type of sticker packs and emojis are also available in this app. Now if you want to create your own stickers and use them in WhatsApp, here's how you can do it. You need to install another app called Personal Stickers for WhatsApp, the link for which is given in the description. Now open this app and allow the storage location. With the help of this app, you can use all the PNG files in your phone as a stickers. You can add any folder of a PNG files to use as a sticker pack. Now open the WhatsApp again and click on the emoji icon and add in the stickers option you will find the new stickers pack added. So this is how you can use the stickers in your WhatsApp. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. My name is Tushar and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be happy and do something constructive.